Hey guys, check out this 64 Buick Riviera. This thing is mean. I mean, this is a beautiful Riviera. Just like that Oldsmobile I did, that Tornado, the front wheel drive. This one here's rear wheel drive. And this thing's beautiful, man. Blue on blue with chrome. Blue on blue with chrome. I mean, how can you beat it? And I do believe I see one exhaust tip. Okay, I thought it was dual, but it's not. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. There's the other tip. It's dual exhaust. How about that? Dual exhaust Riviera, man. Dual exhaust Riviera. And the thing about these old Rivieras, just like that Tornado I just did, they sit to the ground, man. They sit low to the ground, but they're some of the most comfortable low to the ground riding cars you could ever be in. Trust me, I know. I rode in them, especially these old ones. I rode them. They put you to sleep fast, man. They were like boats on wheels. I love boats on wheels. Let's look inside here at this interior on the passenger side. Look at that. See how that's sunk down in and forward? And the dashboard sitting is overhanging. That's beautiful, man. That's that old school craftsmanship. Carpet, the seats. Looking back there, look. Yeah, bucket seats up front and individual bucket seats sitting in the back like that. That deep down comfort, man. You could go to sleep and not worry about things, man. You be snoring all the way while somebody else is driving. That's what you want. Nowadays, you got these cell phones and YouTube and whatever else. You can watch while people are driving. Put your earphones on and just, relax. Look at that. Look at that. My God. Let's look at this driver's side real quick. And this thing, I haven't found any scrapes or anything. Scratches. It's clean like that Oldsmobile. A Tornado. This thing's beautiful, guys. It is beautiful, beautiful. And I mean, this was well kept. Even if it was a resto mod, this was still well kept. And as we look in, it's a, if I could get it, there you go. 64 Buick Riviera, 425 Wildcat V8, 3-speed automatic, Marlin blue on blue. Hey. And if those are 61,000 miles, unknown, but that's the asking price for this beautiful car, $89,000. So if you're in the market for something like this, I can never tell you how to spend your hard-earned money, but this car is sitting here at Gateway Classic Cars, just outside of Chicago, Illinois, and I'll leave you guys the contact information at the end of the video. Later, guys.